how to do a DIY flower backdrop. So stay tuned. Plus, I'm already having technical little difficulties and everything, so bear with your girl and everything. So if anything look janky, ratchet, unprofessional, work with me. Unless you want to, to give a little donation to this channel. Okay? So here we go. Okay, so y'all crooked, but don't. It's whatever. It's either that or you be on the floor. Okay? Okay. Anyway, so let's get started. So this pole right here, girl, this is going to be for this stand right here, which, I'm going to use for my flowers, okay? And everything that I use in this video is going to be linked down in the comment section. Alright, y'all. Oh, jeez. So, this is what it looks like for right now. And now I'm about to do the rest of it. So, how I put this together, it comes with 4 panels. So, these are like panels or whatever, and they're this big. They're actually really big. So they come with little zip ties, because you're going to need those zip ties. And I would suggest y'all getting like longer zip ties. Especially if you like wearing your nails. Ooh, girl. When I tell you, it is something else, child. But anyway, so I did it like long ways, like a vertical. Because of the simple fact, when I did the horizontal, it was like a little bulge, little thing sticking out. And the only reason why I have these clamps up here is because I don't have any more zip ties. So yeah, and then I'm not really setting it up right now, so I don't want it to like get stuck up there. And of course, they tell you that you can snap, like connect the back ends to it. Let me go get one, okay? So this is what one of them look like. So that's one of them. And it looks, well actually it's 2 of these. I just connected them together. And it looks like this on the back of it. And it has little thingamajigs where you can connect it, where they say you connect it. That gonna work, okay? You need something that's gonna be heavy duty to hold all of this together, especially if you're gonna put it up on there. It's just for anything. But yeah, so I love it. It's nice. And here goes the zip ties, the ones that came with them, like right here. They're small, but they will do for right now. If you just want a piece like the back of them, like I did, if you can see on the side. So yeah. But if you want to do it horizontally, boo, get you some heavy duty long zip ties, okay? Okay. Make sure. Okay, so here's the thing, y'all. I didn't like how when I first, because I'd already been working on this, I just wanted to make sure I critiqued it enough so it would be great for you guys, so it would save y'all some trouble if you decide to do this DIY project, okay? But I didn't like how the pole up here, like, kind of dips down. I don't like that. I definitely do not like that. So what I'm going to do is get these two and put like drapes and actually have this like a little, I don't know what you call it, but a little 3D effect. So yeah, but I just thought like this and I feel like it'll be like better instead of, you know, trying to figure out another thing to do. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like for right now. And I'm gonna give me some more drapes. Like, I think I'm gonna need like probably like 2 sets of panels on each of these sides over here. And then I want to do like another panel up there at the top to hide all of the extra stuff, which that's not going to be shown because I'm gonna have zip ties up there. So yeah, but this is what it looks like for right now. It's pretty. I'ma just tweak it some more. But you guys, that is the final look right there. I actually like it. It's really cute to me. It's better than what I did before, because I feel like it gives like an illusion of something, you know, just having it post back here on the other backdrop instead of having just all on the same pole. Because believe me, babe, that thing was it was slumping down, okay? Okay. But I like this. It's cute. Like I said, I'm gonna get more longer, you know, drapes and everything. So it would, you know, hide those over here, the little legs or whatever. And I'm gonna give me another, like 2 more panels of the blush drapes. But I hope you guys love this DIY. I need to get a thumbnail, y'all. So yeah, just I think that's cute. Hell. I think that's a good thumbnail right there.